Hi, this time I want to show you how to archive a class and then restore a class and then delete a class from Google Classroom. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 classes in my Google Classroom dashboard with two types of this. One is a class of mine that I created, and the other type is a class I joined by invitation. First of all, I want to show you how to delete a class that I created before. Okay. First of all, we have to click three little dots menu on the class that you choose. Then you click archive. Okay. Archived classes can be updated unless you restore them. This class will move to your archived classes. Class files will remain in Google Drive. Okay, are you sure to archive? Then you can click archive. Okay, we now can't see any class PTI in this Google Classroom dashboard anymore. Okay, we click here and we click archived classes. Here you are. Now PTI now is in archived classes dashboard. Okay. We click three little dots menu on PTI class, and then you can see this move, copy, restore, delete. And now I want to show you first how to restore. Restore, it means you can restore this class from archived classes, move to into or back to Google Classroom dashboard. Okay, let's see. We click restore PTI. You and your students will be able to interact with this class again. This class will be shown in classes and in the classroom menu. Okay, we restore this. Okay, let's see. Let's go to the classes. Here you are. PTI is back in Google Classroom dashboard. Okay, I want to show you how to delete this. We click little dots menu and choose archive, and we click archive, and then we go to archived classes. Okay, and we click a little dots menu again, and we can delete now. Okay, click delete PTI. You will no longer have access to any posts or commands that have been added to this class. The class files will remain in Google Drive. You can undo this action. If you are already sure to delete, you can click delete button. Okay, now PTI class is not longer in our dashboard. Okay, let's see the other type class. Okay, this one I have one type of I joined this class by invitation before. Okay, this is more simple than before. Okay, we just click little dots menu and just click leave class. Leave communication, sorry, this is in Indonesia language. Leave komunikasi data for PTI 1. You won't be able to open this class unless you are re-invited. You will no longer have access to a class files in Google Drive. You can undo this action. If you are already sure to leave this class, you just click leave class. Okay, now it's already done. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you again and goodbye.